nowadays like the trend is changing, so they moved from maintaining a special servers and this stuff to they moved from the servers to the cloud computing. Okay, what are the main advantages of using this cloud computing, guys? Cloud computing main advantages is there is no need to host a special server. There is no need to, install a software. There is no need to install something else. And what are the requirements? There is no need to install the connectivities and stuff. And this is the main advantage of using the cloud computing. That too, we are using the shared services, guys. For example, let's take the salesforce.com. Here salesforce.com is a CRM. In this cloud computing there are two types, guys: ERP and CRM. ERP is like an enterprise resource planning, which is just deals with the internal organization. It doesn't deal with the customers. So we are Salesforce is a CRM. So we will be discussing about the CRM, customer relationship management, guys. So CRM is like it deals with mainly customers. The name says it deals with the customers, right? Okay. Now what, Sumant? Okay, I know the advantages of the cloud computing. Okay, actually there are the service providers who are providing us the services. For example, here the salesforce.com is the service provider, guys. So the service provider, they can provide the cloud computing services into three parts, guys. One is a SaaS, software as service. Second one is a PaaS, platform as a service. Third one is infrastructure as a service, guys. So okay, Sumant, what is this software as service? What is this platform as a service? And what is this infrastructure as a service, Sumant? It's nothing but, first of all, SaaS is a software as a service. It means they provide some software for us to use, guys. For example, this is the SaaS platform that is provided by the Salesforce. That means we can pretty much do all the admin stuff here, guys. Not only admin stuff, whatever the workflows, the validations, like whatever they have provided us, we can use the pretty much use this stuff, guys. This is nothing but they will provide some standard Salesforce functionalities or standard software. If it is like a, if you make it like an overview, uh, they provide some standard stuff, guys. So by using this standard stuff, if you can if you can think you can maintain your org, you can pretty much do that. If you don't want to do that, there is an other option, guys: platform as a service. So in this platform as a service, what they do is they provide a platform for us, and we have to develop some coding in that platform, guys. For example, let's take in this salesforce.com developer console. This is called as platform as a service, guys. They call it as a force IDE, force.com IDE. See, this is a platform as a service. So they provided as a platform so that we can develop something and we can customize however we want, guys. And what is infrastructure as a service, Sumant? Infrastructure as service is nothing but they provide servers, hosting services and storages. Okay, guys, I'll tell you one example. Like there is a thing called like a private cloud and a public cloud, guys. Public cloud is nothing but along with every people we will share the resource. Private cloud is nothing but they provide the infrastructure to the internal organization and they maintain that cloud inside the organization only. They will not maintain it externally. So our Salesforce doesn't do that, doesn't provide the private cloud. Our Salesforce just provide only two types, guys: software as a service and platform as a service. Infrastructure as a service, I don't know, it may or may not in future, because infrastructure as service, it will be like some expensive, guys. That is the reason why most cloud computing technologies will not go to that way of service, providing the service. So okay, these are the three main things as each and every service provider can provide us, guys. So okay, and what is the advantages of cloud computing? We already discussed that. Can anyone tell me like how many types of services can a Salesforce provide, guys? Uh,
Three types.
okay, and what are they?
Three services it provides: software as a service, platform as a service.
Like as of now, we are using
Yeah,
only
yeah.
two services.
But presently there are two services which you use.
Yes, our Salesforce provides only two services, software and
Yeah.
platform. Okay. Okay, guys. Okay. Sumant, I know pretty much about this cloud computing services that is provided by the Salesforce. It is only SaaS and PaaS. But what is the architecture of my Salesforce, Sumant? How does the Salesforce work? And what is the architecture? I have an image, guys, of an architecture. I'll be showing that. Okay, guys, this is the pretty much like a basic architecture of a Salesforce, guys. What is an what is the name of the Salesforce architecture? It is nothing but MVC architecture. MVC architecture is nothing but modern view controller architecture, guys. If you guys see in this image, you can see a model. Sorry, you can see a model. You can view a controller. You can see a view, guys. What is a view? View is nothing but a user interface, guys. Whatever the user interface that is provided by the Salesforce, we can say pretty much as an admin view, that one. If we use some visual force and components and sites by using the coding, also we can use this user interface. This customization comes under the comes under the SaaS platform, which is nothing but like it's like a software predefined. By using the predefined custom functionalities, we will customize, guys. Here we will code in the I mean in the PaaS platform, we will code it by using some visual force coding, some components and some sites. Okay, view is nothing but user interface. What is a controller? Controller is nothing but like it performs the automations and stuff, guys. Before going to the controller, I will tell the model. Model is nothing but a database. If you guys are well aware of this database like SQL and PLSQL, this will be easy, guys, when coding with a model. So to connect this model and view, there is a controller, guys. It's nothing but in the admin side, it performs automations and some validations and workflows. But in coding, it pretty much performs the connectivity part. Okay, guys, is there any doubt on this MVC architecture?
No, no, no. No, we are able to.
Okay, guys. Okay, Sumant, I know about this architecture and I know about the services that is provided by the Salesforce. Okay, and let's make it something simple, guys. Okay, what are all the functionalities that is provided by the Salesforce? Not the functionalities. What are all the packages that is provided by the Salesforce? Let's take my organization is a very small organization and I want a very limited resources, guys. So what are all the things that Salesforce provides? There are different editions, guys. Let me go, not this one, guys. Okay, I'm just typing at salesforce.com and I'm going to products, product overview. Look at this, guys. These are what are the different things it provides. Salesforce.com provides a sales cloud, Salesforce IQ, Salesforce code cache. These are all pretty much sales related, guys. If you want like what are all the services provided, I think the pricing we have to go to. Look at these, guys. These are all the things that Salesforce provides. Okay, Salesforce provide the basic functionality. With the basic functionality, Salesforce IQ CRM starter. This is like a $25, guys. You can see it here. And Lightning Professional, guys. First, it should be the professional. Basically, previously, now they changed everything to Lightning Concepts from 2015. So it says the Lightning Professional here, but it's there is nothing different, guys. Standard Professional or Lightning Professional. So and the third one is an enterprise edition, guys, and the fourth one is unlimited edition. Okay, Sumant, I have the editions here. What is the difference between these editions, guys? Difference is nothing but they provide functionalities, guys. See, it provides only limited functionalities here. This IQ starter will just deal with some standard functionalities like sending emails, share, maintaining the address books, just completing something, and automating some processes and using for the smartphone. Like basic functionalities, this IQ started provide guys, and that too only for the 5 users. You can't use more than 5 users. And what about the Lightning Professional? Lightning Professional, it's a complete CRM for any size team, but it provides only some limited number of functionalities. If you guys can check the limited number of functionalities, guys. Okay, now what is the Lightning Enterprise? And mainly most mid-scale and large-scale industries go with this Enterprise Edition, guys. Mainly they go with this Enterprise Edition. Okay, Sumant, here it is showing a huge list. It is showing only less list here. Don't think like that, guys. This Enterprise Edition contains all the stuff in the all the functionalities in the Lightning Professional, and also these are the extra functionalities that are available, guys. They provided just the extra functionalities than the Lightning Professional. In the Unlimited also same, guys. They provide the extra functionalities here when compared to other editions. Okay, these are the main editions that is provided by the Salesforce. Sumant, as a developer, why do I want to know this kind of stuff? If you guys go through the like a business analyst and this kind of stuff, you will be dealing with both the client side, and you will be dealing with both the client side and your implementing partner who is you are working like you will be dealing with both of them, guys. So your client will ask like okay, according these are my requirements, what will be the best addition to take the Salesforce at that time. Usually the architects will take care of that, guys, but if in case the architect is not available on a particular day, if it is better to know all this kind of stuff. So it says try for free. Just try for free, guys. If you like to, they'll charge $25, and you can continue. You can continue if you want. You can just deactivate it. So these are the pretty much additions that are provided by the Salesforce. What they can say like a 4 type of editions, guys. Okay, Sumant, I know what are the editions that is provided by the Salesforce. Okay, what type of clouds does the Salesforce provide? See, the Sales Cloud, Sales plus Service, guys. This is an interlink of Sales and Service, intermix, and Service Cloud, Marketing Cloud, App Cloud, Community Cloud, Wave Analytics, and Health Cloud, and Salesforce IQ. These are all nothing in a developer edition. This is our developer edition, guys. We will be just logging into this developer edition. Uh, so in this developer edition, it will be a mix, like it everything will be a mix here. They will not provide anything separately like this is a Sales Cloud, Service Cloud in this developer edition. They will provide all the functionalities here, and we have to sort it out what functionality suits what. Okay, so these are the functionalities that are available by the Sales Cloud, guys. Sorry, Salesforce. Okay, Suman, I know about this production and how many types of editions that are available, guys. In real time, there is a difference, guys. First thing is the production environment is different, and there is an other environment called sandbox environment. What is the sandbox environment, Suman? Sandbox environment is nothing but whatever we do, first we have to do in the Salesforce, whatever the customization we do, whatever the coding we do, whatever the development we do, first we have to do it in a sandbox, guys. Sandbox, it will be like similar to, I mean, sandbox will be similar to these editions, but it is quite different, guys. I'll be telling you about your sandbox. It's nothing but whatever the changes you make, you will be just dealing in the sandbox. The only difference is there is a different URL, guys. For logging in, you will go for login.salesforce.com for a regular developer edition logging in. But for the test, for the sandbox URL, it will be test.salesforce.com. That is the URL for the sandbox, guys. See, since I don't have any sandbox, I'm not logging into. It says here it says the difference, guys. Here it says logging into sandbox, and previously it says logging. See, it says nothing. If I just go, it will just, since it is saved, it says nothing. It's nothing but the URL, guys. First, just remember, guys, everything will be interlinked, the sandboxes and this sandboxes and the production environment. I'll go in detail when we are dealing with the development regarding these sandboxes and how do we'll deal with the sandboxes. But right now, just make sure that uh, we will do all the development and stuff in the sandboxes. We will not do anything in the production except some minor changes like changing the tab name, changing some admin stuffs. Except some admin stuffs, we will not do anything in the. We will not do any development in the production. We will just do that in the sandbox. Okay. Okay, Sumant, I know about the sandbox. Sandbox. How many types of sandboxes are there? Basically, there are four types of sandbox, guys. First one is a developer pro sandbox. Look at this, guys. Developer edition is nothing but this is our edition that I mean that we can log in for free and we can use it and we can all test with the functionalities. And this is also advantage, guys. Most CRMs don't provide the free version. If you want to test like some CRMs, they provide with the paid versions only, guys. They don't provide mostly free versions. Okay, what are the different types of sandboxes, Sumant? Okay, this just forget about the first one, guys, and the rest four are the different kinds of the sandboxes. First is a let's come from the bottom to up, guys. The first one comes with a developer sandbox. Second one is a developer pro sandbox. Third one is a partial copy sandbox. Fourth one is a full sandbox, guys. Okay, Suman, what is a developer sandbox? Guys, here in the image they didn't give a refresh interval. Refresh interval is also an important concept, guys. What is a refresh interval, Sumant? Refresh interval is nothing but for how much interval does the organization refreshes. For example, the developer sandbox refreshes every day, guys. You will start the day every in the morning, right? And it will refresh at the evening, guys. As soon as you finish your work and save it, it will refreshes it again, guys. In 24 hours, it will refresh again. So, but there is why this refresh interval so much, because these are developer editions. They don't want to waste a lot of memory, since these are shared resources we are using. They don't want to waste a lot of resources, guys. So that is the reason why they make these sandboxes with the different capabilities and different memory size and different refresh intervals, guys. So develop and what is the refresh interval of the developer sandbox? 1 day. Developer pro also 1 day, guys. For every 1 day it will refresh, guys, for every 24 hours. But uh, just one thing, guys, just remember, when you're dealing with the sandboxes, you have to save your work. If you don't save your work, when the refresh interval is performed, all the data will be lost, guys. Just remember this. You have to save your work whenever your work is finished. Otherwise, the refresh interval makes the data loss, which is not saved, guys. Okay, so what is the refresh interval of developer sandbox? One day. Developer pro also 1 day. Partial copy sandbox 5 days, guys. And full sandbox, it is like I guess 29 days, like a 1 month. 29 days. It's 29 days. Okay, Sumant. Uh, and here it says the user licenses. These are all same as a production org, guys. These are all same as a production org. What do you mean by same? I mean, what do you mean by same as a production org? Means the user licenses that pretty much has in the production org, it will be available in the sandboxes too. And here, look, if you check it, check this, guys. It says a data storage, right? So 200 MB data storage is a maximum storage for the developer. I mean, for the developer sandbox, guys. So and this 200 MB they provide it as a data, and there is a separate file storage also, guys. The file storage is also 200 MB. Okay, there are two types of storage: data storage and file storage. Data storage deals with the records, guys. So here it deals with the record. They provided just the 200 MB data with the which deals with the record. And file storage is nothing but if you want to upload some files and stuff, the storage limit, guys, 200 MB for the developer sandbox. And for the developer pro sandbox, it is 1 GB, guys. and it's the same for the file storage also. And whereas the partial copy sandbox is also, it's like a 5 GB, but the same for the file storage also. And the full sandbox, it will be same as a production, guys. It means whatever the memory that is having in the production, that will be available in the full sandbox, guys. Okay. And there is a difference also, guys. For the developer sandbox, we can just copy the metadata, guys. We cannot copy the full records from the developer sandbox. And for the developer pro also, only metadata. And the partial copy sandbox, we can just copy the metadata and some simple demo data, guys. We can't practically just convert all the data into the developer developer thing, guys. So in the full sandbox, it's like we can transfer all the metadata and all the data, guys. Okay, Sumant, you are saying metadata, data. Okay, what is metadata, Sumant? Metadata is nothing but data of a data, guys. I'll be telling this when we are dealing with the Salesforce organization. Just for now, just remember that metadata is nothing but data of a data, guys. Okay, this is pretty much about the sandboxes, guys. And I have a small question. There are different sandboxes. How do you know on which sandbox I am logging in, Sumant? That is the reason why they provide different username for the different sandboxes, guys. For example, the developer sandbox, we have to log in as we have when we are creating this, we have to make it as a .dev, guys. Usually our username will be this, like a dot, like Sumant at the rate of salesforce.com or something, Sumant at the rate of newyork.com, something like that. Usually it ends with the .com, the username. But coming to the sandboxes, for the developer sandbox, it will be .dev. For a QA sandbox, it will be .qa. For staging sandbox, it will be .staging. For the production sandbox, it's as similar to the production environment, guys. Okay, guys, are there any questions on this basics, guys?
Yeah, able to understand this one.
Okay, guys. Uh,
In previous image, why do we use 2CI?
Sorry, Afrin,
2CI.
can you come
In
again,
previous
Afrin?
message.
Why don't you use?
Why we use 2CRM license in user license?
Oh, why we use two CRM? It's not, they just gave it like two. We can use only two CRM users. Since this is a developer edition, we can only create two users. CRM licenses means only two users. They say the user license means, if you see the title here, it says the user licenses, guys. In your developer edition, how many licenses you can create? Means you can create only two users in your developer edition. Okay. Whereas in all the sandboxes we can create how many users that we can create on the production environment, we can pretty much create them on this sandbox. Or if you want more, you have to just call or request the Salesforce support for this and just get the data, guys. Okay.
In sandbox also only two users can log in or multiple?
No, sandbox, it is depends upon the production environment. Means how many, how many sandboxes you buy in the production environment, that many you can use it. It all depends upon your necessity and buying, guys. It's nothing but like, demand and sale is there. Like if you require it, you have to request them and pay some money and you have to get it. That is how the
And
organization.
sandbox is not for free.
No, sandbox is not for free. It is for money. That is the reason why we will go with the developer editions. That is for free. Sandbox is pretty much this comes under the release management. At that time, when we are dealing with the development, I will tell the release management like how you will migrate the from the sandbox to the developer edition. Right now, just know that this is a sandbox and these are the functionalities. Okay. Any more doubts, Shravani or Afrin?
No.
Okay, guys. So you guys pretty much know this. So okay, I'll just tell how to log in into your developer account, guys. Just go to developer.salesforce.com. So just make a login. See guys, log in with a different username, and here you create a new user. For me there are users, that is why it's showing like this. But when you go to developer.com, here there is a sign in, guys. Sign up means for the new users we have to sign up, guys. Okay, see, provide your details here, pretty much the first name, your email address, your what are the role you in your company. If just make sure like go with the developer and the company name, whatever you like, guys. You can give anything. There will be no any back check or something else, but email must be I mean, it's not required. Email must be a valid one, guys. For example, if you guys want to practice, just create one dummy mail ID, something like just create one email like I created Salesforce training. So just whatever it is, just by using that email, you should verify your email in the email in your Gmail, guys. Just make sure this is a valid email address and the United States country, the postal rate, and just make it as a sign me up. That's it. Okay. So this is how you make your developer edition. Okay, we discussed about the cloud computing, sign off the productions. 1 minute, guys. Okay, this is how we just go with the developer edition. So guys, by tomorrow class, please make sure that you guys have a developer edition, guys. Just create some email and just make it as a developer edition. Okay. Okay, guys. Now, okay, Sumant, I know pretty much the basics about the Salesforce. Okay, now what, Sumant? Guys, to go to deal with the CRM, we have to know the sales life cycle, guys. I mean, how the life cycle works and this kind of stuff that we will be discussing now, guys. So, what is the sales life cycle? I'm just going into this. This saves just don't look image if it may be confusion. I will tell you each and everything, guys. For example, let us take here they gave an laptops example. So let's make I have a company with 10K laptops, guys. I want to manufacture 10,000 laptops. I already manufactured, for example, I already manufactured 10K laptops. So what now, Sumant? I manufacture the laptops, but I have to sell them, right? Only manufacturing is not enough. Manufacturing with the manufacturing you can pretty much perform, but I have to sell them, guys. So what now? Now I will just make a to whom I have to sell my laptops. Like my laptops means automatically, like obviously our mind will be getting some. Industry professionals, some software employees, or some students, and this kind of stuff. So what kind of industry I want to target? Just know what kind of industry you want to target. For example, I want to target all the software companies that is available in a I mean central New Jersey, or just like New Jersey or New York, whatever it is. Just target I targeted on New York, guys. In New York, for example, let us take 100K people. 100K people are there who need of laptops. So guys, there is no guarantee that if there are like 10 people, no guarantee that they're gonna buy the laptop, right? So if we target only less amount of less industry, like less resources, it's not worth for us, guys. We can't sell all the 10K, guys. uh, if we target like 100K or 200K, then only we can sell all the 10K laptops, because some may buy, some may just see my laptop, okay, this is good, and just provide some reviews and they just leave. And some may say, okay, this laptop is good, but that laptop is much better than that, and they'll just migrate to the other laptop. It does. we are not sure that they are going to buy our laptop only, right? So we have to target the industry at least 10 times, 20 times, how much times bigger than that, bigger than your production. The industry should be minimum 10 or 20 times bigger than your industry, guys, than your manufacturing. Okay, and we have to check about the location and the revenue, how much it is costing me, and this kind of stuff at the target market level, guys. Okay, I already checked with how what on what target we have to go. Okay, I have a target like 100k people are in this region. I'm putting the target on that 100k region. Okay, now what, guys? Maintaining the target is not enough, guys. So we have to onboard a sales team, right? We have to onboard a sales team to perform our sales and to let them know that we have our product, and we have to we have our product and we have to continue the stuff like that, guys. So I just hired a sales team, and for the sales team I gave an instructions to perform all the sales and these kind of operations. What is the sales goals, and I gave the sales goals for them, guys. Like, this is my target, this is my achievement, you have to achieve this, if not you will be fired. That is how now industries are going on. You have to achieve this target by this day. If you don't achieve that, you will be fired. That is a simple logic, guys. So if not fired after 2 3 months, they will fire obviously if he is not achieving his targets. So what is next? What? Okay, I gave a sales coach to my sales reps or sales representatives, whoever is available. And what next? The sales representatives, they will conduct a campaigns, guys. Campaigns is nothing but whatever the way they can market, they will just market it, guys. For example, let's take, they created some blogs on that on the laptops, and they created some websites, and they create some social network. By using the social networks, they are following some people who are interested in techs, and some business magazines. They're just providing the publications to the business. Whatever the way it is, they will try to reach the targeted industry people, guys. Whoever we targeted, they will try to reach. That is the use of the campaigns. Okay, they try to reach means these all are comes under marketing, guys. So pretty much we did everything. Now is a marketing. Now what next? Okay, the marketing is not enough, right? We have to sell our product, and that is our final goal, guys. Not a final goal, that is our partial goal. First we have to sell our product. Okay, okay, in that when we are marketing, some people will click on our link, or some people will view our website, guys. So those are our suspects, means they are pretty much interested, means pretty much interested in our targeted I mean pretty much interested in our product. So we call them as suspects, guys. Okay, what we do with the suspects, we will just follow up with them, guys. So we will just follow up and we will send something. If they responded, if they respond immediately, the prospects, if they respond immediately, they become our leads. Leads are nothing but, guys, the people who are interested and who are responded to our who are responded to our emails or campaigns through websites, or they are called as leads, guys. Leads are nothing but the people who showed interest on a particular product. It's nothing, we can't take granted that they need our laptop only, but they are interested in buying a laptop. Then now we have to make them to buy our laptop. So what we have to do from our side, right? So then next, the leads can be converted into accounts, contacts, and opportunities, guys. We will convert these leads which are suspicious into accounts, contacts, and opportunities when he responded, and when he replied, and when he's active with us, guys. Then what? Okay, when we are dealing with them, okay, if he finally if we buy our laptop, we want the opportunity. If we don't buy, we lose the opportunity, means we lose one customer. So that is how it works, guys. That is how the accounts, contacts, and opportunities works here. Okay, if he was not sure, like buy, you want to buy or you want to don't buy or something else, then what, guys? We have to, there are two types of codes, guys. First thing is like a code sending to buy our laptop. After buying that, we can just quote it the whatever the amount is, that like that. So first we will provide with the percentage discounts. Okay, if you buy my laptop by this date, I will provide you a 10% discount, I'll provide you a 20% discount. These are all we can pretty much do by using by using our Salesforce, guys. Next, what I generated a quote. Okay, I send a quote for my customer. This is what. Okay, if he likes, he will take an order. If he don't likes, we will try putting ads on him like email. We'll just put it in some queue and we will send all the whatever the ads that are whatever the available percentages, discounts available, whatever the available things that we can perform the sales team, that we will provide it to the user, guys. User means I mean the customer, our customer. Then what, if he buys, we will generate an invoice and we will send our laptop. Okay, now I brought my laptop, guys. What next? The customer is not satisfied just with buying a laptop, guys. They minimum expect our services to provide them. Like if you get any repair on that laptop, so I have to go to the cases. They will file a case, guys. How they file a case? They can file a case by using your website, by using your mobile, by using your phone. Just call to the customer service and just let them know that okay, this is my product number and I got some trouble with so and so, I mean the processor or some so and so screen. Can you guys please check, and they will provide you with the solution, guys. They will come up with the solutions and the feedback, I mean feedbacks or something else, what happened to that laptop and stuff. This pretty much comes under the service process. Okay, what the service process, and we pretty much know about the marketing stuff, we pretty much know about the sales process, we know about the service processes. Okay, next what, guys? Next is reporting and analytics. Where does we use this reporting and analytics? For example, uh, my my manager asked me to, okay, Sumant, I want like whoever the employees or whoever the customers, last year customer who quoted us more than $10,000, guys. So just if you want to take those kind of reports like summarizing some data, if you want all the records and summarizing the data, we will go for report, guys. And if you want to view make it as a pictorial representation of that report, we will go for the dashboards, guys. This is pretty much about the sales life cycle, sales sorry, sales life cycle, guys. It's nothing but marketing, sales process, service process, report analytics. For each and everything, our Salesforce provides the services, guys. If you guys observe in the previous thing, it says a sales process. If you guys observe here, it is providing each and every product, guys. See products and pricing. If I go, it is providing each and every product, guys. If you see this bar, sales product, this is a sales and service cloud product, and service cloud, it says a cloud because we are working on cloud computing. It's nothing but we perform sales operations here, sales and service operations here, only service here, marketing operations. This app cloud is different, guys. We create an app instance, and community cloud is for just for hanging out, this kind like uh, this is a different cloud, guys. Mostly for they use for the non-profit organizations, this community cloud. So wave analytics is nothing but the analytics, means creating the reports and dashboard, this kind of stuff. Pretty much they use everything, guys. Okay, they provide everything from getting a process, I mean from getting a process to making our product processed. Okay, guys, any doubts here? Afrin, any
No,
doubt? No doubts, right?
no.
Guys, if you have any doubts, I'm free, guys. Like I'm pretty much flexible to answer. I'll answer. I will ask because like sorry, guys, I'm just listening some echoes. Okay, this is pretty much about the introduction, guys. And I forgot to tell you one important thing, guys. Our Salesforce is it depends upon the multi-tenant architecture, guys. Means the resources, all the resources and stuff, the Salesforce will have that, and they will maintain all the servers and this kind of stuff, and they will provide the they will provide these orgs for us, guys. Means we are sharing the resources. Just remember this, we are sharing the resources. That is why all these limitations, guys. Otherwise, if it is our only server, if it is our only maintaining, it will cost more for the company than they are dealing with the clouds, guys. Okay. Okay, guys. Today I'll be stopping the session here. Tomorrow we'll be continuing. Today I just gave you brief about what is the Salesforce and stuff. Just guys, just go through this developer edition and just log into developer edition, guys. Make sure for tomorrow's class you have a developer edition. Okay, guys.
Okay. Okay, I have a doubt here.
Yeah, sure. Go ahead.